All right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to access the online textbook. So the first place you're going to need to go is to my website, and this should already be bookmarked. So once you get there, you're going to go up on the top and click on where it says Online Textbook. Once you get to Online Textbook, there's a bunch of information here. When you log in, your username is the same as it is for everything else with our school. The first 5 letters of your last name, first 5 letters of your first name, middle initial, and 00. And your password again is going to be your 5-digit lunch number. This link right here where it says Science Fusion Login will get you to the online textbook. Once you click there, you are going to need to fill in these top 4 first pull-down menus. Yours won't already be filled in. So for country is the United States, state is Minnesota, district Elk River, and school Rogers Middle School. All right. Click on Remember My School in this little box, and then that will keep it so that information is in there. Then you're going to log in with your username and password. That was my husband. And click log in. Once you get logged in, there are 3 different places that you can go. You can go on Things to Do. You can go on My Library or My Scores. Things to do would be if I assigned you an online quiz or assignment that I wanted you to complete, which I haven't done that at this time. My Library is where you'll access the online textbooks, you'll access the digital lessons, and also the virtual lab. So we'll use that a lot. And then My Scores is if I had a scored assignment in there, you could find out how you did on them right there. So My Library, I'm going to click there, and there should be 3 different textbooks available. Those are the 3 textbooks that we use in our class. So you could click on one of them, and a new screen will pop up. I'll say Science Fusion. If you're doing this from home and this doesn't happen, you'll talk to me about that in class, and I'll see if we can troubleshoot that for you. And so you can just kind of play around on these. They go by unit and then by lesson, and for each lesson there's digital lessons with them as well, and some of them have virtual labs. I'm not going to click on those right now, but I'll show you how to do that later. The student edition right here, this orange blob on the side, is where you can access the actual online textbook if you're interested in that. You can go through, sorry, the screen isn't down here. You can go to the table of contents and kind of click on, if we're doing lesson 2 on stars, you can click on it there. You can also type in the page number. I want to go to page 66. You can go right to page 66 as well. Okay? So that is the online textbook. There's also different resources that you can look at here if you want to give yourself a self-quiz and see what you know or what you remember when you're trying to study. You can do that as well. So take a couple minutes and play around on this so that you can become familiar with our online textbook. Oops.
Welcome to the unit quiz.
I'm going to close out of that so that one talks to you. So again, play with it and we'll talk more about it in class.